Hello, we are Incredibles. How are you both?
Yeah,
Yeah,
great.
So, how you're feeling after doing your last activity when where you analyzed your mastermind group and finding out the toxic people? How you're feeling, and did you get to analyze more or get any breakthrough into it? Hey, Maju.
yes. I'm knowing more about my life, who's a right person, who's a wrong person, which I add you, which I avoid you. Definitely, I get more clarity in my life and how to move on to good life to achieve my dreams and transform my life, and how to add my master circle, which I want to really.
Very nice. How about you, Nadimji? Did you get through any breakthrough, and what kind of experience you gained from last exercise?
Yeah, I'm feeling very powerful now because my e course has changed, and from N course to e course have changed, and then there is a lot of buzz movements are added in my life.
Yeah,
Then I try to be away from the negative people or toxic people. I'm spending more time with the positive and the masterminds. Okay, so all these things are helping me to be happy first. Number two, it's helping me to grow in my business.
yeah,
It is helping me to enjoy my family life. It is helping me to become more healthier.
yeah.
It is helping me to earn more money.
That's good. That's good. So during these last 4 weeks, whatever we have done, all the exercises, all the activities, help all together. If we'll see finally what we want to transform ourselves. We want to create a success blueprint for ourselves.
Right.
So the last we are now on our last week activity or last week program, which is also known as success blueprint. I will explain you a little bit more about it. The success blueprint is basically the last layer of the Incredible You program. Framework is to define your unique definition of success, because everybody has a different unique ideas, unique dreams, and all that. This is where you take the ownership of success. So whatever exercises we have done, we will take the ownership of that in the end.
Okay.
So here, since everybody has dreams, and whatever we are doing, whatever outcomes we have decided is to fulfill one or the other dream we have, right? So basically, if we discuss among ourselves, um, we say that kids, if you ask a small kid, what do you want, they are having very crazy dreams. In the same way, we need to develop a crazy dream for ourselves, so that we work for it to achieve it, right? So this next activity, this is an activity where you have to think about some crazy fearless dreams. You don't have to think, you just have to think of possibilities, no obstacles into it, because we will analyze those obstacles later on. So this activity is a question based activity which will help you to come up with ultimate crazy dreams that you want to achieve, and make a visual vision board. So it will keep reminding you all the dreams that you want to unleash yourself to achieve. The outcome of this activity is to dream like a fearless person and believe in those dreams, so they can unleash themselves and achieve them. It consists of 4 steps. The step number 1 is to read the example of a dream, what it means to have backup plan, so you can look at the dream in realistically. Step 2 is to you have to think about the wheel of life, each area of your life, and dream about each area of your life to make, we gave the ratings in the beginning, to bring all the areas of your life to the level of 10, the most best rated, best rating. The third step is to from the previous list of fearless dreams, from step 1 and step 2 and step 3, your biggest dream, and answer. You have to ask few questions about them, so that uh, uh, you can visualize and you can think of the possibilities, and the best answer come out of it. Step 4 is now to crazy dreams, and what you look in your head, create a vision board to represent your dream. So the crazy dream is, do you want me to give an example, or you understood it?
Yeah.
Yeah, understood. Which
Okay.
I not completed. That is a crazy dream, and we roaming in our minds. That is a crazy dream.
Yeah, but we have to come out of that fear also.
Yeah, you're right.
Don't have to think, because if you'll have fear in our mind, the our encodes will come and we will not dream about it.
You're
We have
right.
to avoid those encodes and uh, work it accordingly. Like for example, I'll just give you one example. Like somebody thinks that let me continue to the job or start a new business, because the possibility is job, but business will get success. In business they will get success or failure, they don't know. So ultimately, even if they don't get success, they can dream about doing that business. If they don't get the success, they can always continue their job,
You're
that
right.
kind of, right? So you have to think about each area and make a list of your crazy, fearless dreams.
Yeah. Definitely, definitely.
Okay. And after those dreams, I would like to know from you, Nadeem ji, can you share your top three crazy dreams?
Yeah. I want to go around the world.
Great. Mm-hmm.
I want to create a best wellness retreat in
Very nice.
India where
Mm-hmm.
people can come and transform themselves. That is my dream.
Mm-hmm.
And third dream is to create health and well-being in sports. So I want to create a impact on the sports area. I
Yeah,
want to,
because you're sports field.
yeah, I
That's
want to encourage Olympians. My dream is to get India at least 100 gold medals in next
wow.
Olympics.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, that's so inspiring. Seriously.
Yeah.
Hema ji, can you share your three crazy dreams?
Yes, first is skydiving, which I
Ah,
my crazy dream,
mhm.
and second I um, mm, second I attend I not attend I take seminar and 500 people. That is my crazy dream, and
Mhm.
third is I want to buy Rolls Royce. That is my also crazy dream.
Very nice. Too good. Too good. So now, like as I mentioned, we have to create a vision board. We
Yeah.
need, as you have already visualized few dreams by making those lists, we have to just inculcate some pictures, make it colorful, so that whenever you see it, you feel good about it, right?
Yeah.
So you can create your vision board, but the most important thing is make it colorful. May put the dates on it, right? So that you know till which date you want to achieve that dream. You right?
You're right.
So this way you add as much as you can, whatever extreme dreams you have. So have you like created any vision board, Nadeem ji or Hema ji?
Yes, but not. I don't have a right now. Yes,
No problem. You
some,
created
yeah.
them.
I created, but something is something in my mind, and also I created my vision board, some picture on that, but not completed because I need a more time, which I
Yes.
wanted to whatever I actually want or not, and then what is a realistic, which I this is a crazy also realistic also crazy.
Yes. Yes.
Oh yes,
So
I need
take
more
your
time.
time. Take
Yeah,
your
yeah,
time. I think you should give maximum time to this activity, so that you can, as you said, that it should be crazy as well as realistic,
yeah.
right?
Yes.
So do your best. We will see whenever you are done, just share a picture with us.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
Nadeem ji, are you done with your vision board?
Just now you told me, no? So I'm just working on that. I'll share
Okay.
you. I'll share you.
Yeah, please share.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, yeah, we are back. We are done the vision board activity.
Yes.
Please
So-
share your vision board, Nadeem ji.
Okay, thank you. It was very exciting to.
Yeah, we are excited to see that,
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the vision board which I have created for my life, and a few areas I have done it.
Mhm.
So this is my house, how it looks like, and this is my farmhouse.
By 22nd March.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I written down the time frame also. Okay.
Yeah, that's very important.
So in 2023, my 25th anniversary, marriage anniversary. So I want to go and spend time in one of the nice places. Okay. And then I need a. This is my car. This is my bike, Suzuki bike, and I want to look like this with six packs and do some
Mhm.
modeling. Then I want to become an influencer on the next generation, how to live a healthy and happy life. So this is what I want to become, and I want to spend good time with my family. I wanted to develop. See, I'm coming up with a new program called Fitness and Fashion.
Right.
So
Okay.
how to integrate fitness and fashion together. And
Mhm.
that is one project which I'm working on. And then I want 100 gold medals for our country, Olympic medals, because we have full potential, but somehow we are not able to get those medals. So I'm working in that direction.
Correct.
And then I want to become a life coach, the way you are, Ashani, and change people's life with their lifestyle. And I want to advise them. I want to become a mentor for many companies and many colleges. And the sports people also, I want to mentor. I want to develop their why
Yeah.
why people are not able to achieve sports medals is because of the fears in their head.
Correct.
So I want to break those things, and I want to help them to achieve the medals. And then I want to write books. So my first book is already on. My
Mhm.
second book, half I written. And then I want to become a farmer. I do some farming in my farmhouse.
Mhm.
And I want to come up with India's best wellness retreat where
Mhm.
people can come and transform their health and well-being.
Correct. Mhm.
And then I want to travel all over the world. This is my dream. And
Wow, so impressive. So I want you both to put these vision board in the most visible areas of your life so that you can see it again and again and try to achieve those goals.
Yes.
You see, you will definitely work for it, right? So this way, now next meeting, we will work more on our, we already created our vision board, then how some steps, we are already gone through everything. We'll just gist down in one place. So we'll meet next week. If you have any query, Hemaji, you share your vision board as soon as you do
Yes,
finish
yes,
it.
definitely.
Okay. So
Next.
we'll
Yeah,
meet.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
thank
Any
you.
query, anything, please get back to me. Keep
Yes.
reminding yourself, applauding yourself.
I'm feeling bad because the journey is coming to the climax.
Yeah, the same here.
So thank you. Thank you.
Okay, see you. Bye bye.
Bye, bye.